Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Gang, gang. Building.
Hey the greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
You tell them because I'm mad.
I have pork, smothered pork with mashed potatoes and some asparagus. And the hubby has...
I'm mad, you tell them. You tell them, piss me off.
mashed potatoes with steak, a T-bone steak, and also our famous onions. And then he has some red sauce that he made himself. And we are not going to do it. Well, I'm not going to do an outfit of the day. I will talk to you guys about that in a little bit. But we're going to dig in. I hope you guys are having a great day. I am so excited to eat this pork.
I'm mad at y'all.
Ooh.
Yeah, I did it. I'm mad. Please, don't stop me. There you go. There you go.
Go looking. Nothing gonna stop me.
I'm so pissed
Nothing
off.
gonna stop me. I'm all the way up.
I'm pissed off.
You can still be pissed off.
I'm pissed off at y'all too.
What did they do? They don't know anything about this.
They know that. They know if you make pork chops.
Smothered pork chops.
They know if you make smothered pork chop, I can't get none. You know what? Keep your pork side over there. I'm pissed off at you. You did it on purpose there.
No.
Well, it's alright.
No, I don't do nothing on purpose.
Yes, you did. It's alright. I'm still gonna enjoy my side.
You better. I put a lot of love into that
I
steak.
know. I love it. I see it.
So,
Special onions, that's the first thing you see. Look at there.
spicy onions.
Spicy.
You guys already have the recipe. So I told you guys it tastes very good with steak.
Everything.
My kids, they love smothered pork chops. And it has to be peppery. If it's not peppery, they're like, yeah, we don't want it.
It's all good.
Honey, you can try it, you know. I want to try it.
My lip burning. You know why?
Onions?
Gotta rub it.
Oh.
I'm stripping.
Oh.
So how your day going? Actually early. I'm a vent.
What are you venting about?
It's a long time I vent to y'all. I don't know. When the first day said she was gonna make smothered pork chop today, I said, oh my god. There goes the neighborhood.
What neighborhood?
I said, wow. I know I definitely ain't gonna get none today. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
She tricked me. But it's all good. I just wanna, as long as you enjoy your food,
I sure will.
enjoy it, okay?
I sure will.
Appreciate you making my steak.
You're welcome. How is it?
Delicious.
Delicioso.
Yes. T-bone. We dined in again today, family. Asparagus.
We love asparagus.
Well sauteed too.
And it's still crunchy. Guys, this pork chop is very spicy. But it's delicious.
Alright, stop rubbing it in. Guys,
Can I have a napkin?
my steak is very delicious. Well cooked. Yeah. First they make me up thing. You know what I'm saying? But I'm glad you enjoy our side.
I sure am.
It's raining.
When I'm making smothered pork chops, I like to use flour to thicken my gravy. Not cornstarch. It gives it a different texture that I like.
It look good.
Ooh. That's the bone. The bone is the best part too. Man. What?
She rubbing it in.
I'm not rubbing it in. I'm describing the food. So The greedy family can know how it tastes.
They know how pork tastes already.
They don't know how my pork tastes. You guys like my sweater? I felt like being festive.
Look nice.
To go with the pork.
I know. I see you. Yeah, I see. She got this sweater to go with the pork. It's alright. But my side is delicious. I can't complain.
Let me taste it.
Wipe off your pork walk.
I'm just saying.
You know you taste it.
I tasted 4 or 5 times already.
I know.
And I was cutting it up.
I know. Wow.
So my outfit of the day, what I'm actually doing, and what I'm in the process of doing, is I want to make an area designated for outfit of the day. Something that's more eye appealing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Something that represents me, because you know, and plus when I do something, I want to do it good.
Yeah.
So I was testing it out today, and I didn't like how it looked.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna work on it the rest of the week, and as soon as it's done, outfit of the day will be right back. It's not going anywhere. I know you guys love it, and I love doing it for you guys. But I want, just like how we have a background for when we're eating, I want a background for outfit of the day. No?
I think that sounds good.
Sounds good, right, honey?
Yeah. What y'all think? What? Y'all said she have been done that? No way you ain't say something.
What?
For real. I know you're gonna tell the truth.
Listen
So,
to me. Stuff takes money. You have money? Oh.
That's why she's doing that.
Yeah.
It's gonna come out nice. So just wait on, okay? Stay tuned. Outfit ain't going nowhere. And sooner or later, we're gonna be matching. You're gonna say, check out Richie outfit of the day. Pastor Rich. It's coming. Nice.
Pork look good, right?
Pork look
You know,
nice, man.
You know, so the pork look good.
Yo, I don't want to look on that side, you know. Yeah, man. You know, see, I'm pinching the asparagus from my side.
A little pork won't hurt you.
A little pork won't do that to the system. Yeah.
The asparagus has garlic on there, salt, pepper, Everglades.
Real salty. Everglades. Don't forget. Everglades are nothing.
And I just threw it in the oven for literally like 10 minutes.
Yep.
That's all it needs.
That's all it needs. What y'all been up to? Let's talk. Okay? Let's talk. We missed y'all. You know what I'm saying? 3 piece after the 5th bite. I'm mad, that's why I forgot.
Oh, please.
Let's talk. So y'all been up to?
Ooh.
Seriously, I'm asking y'all that.
I'm telling you, this thing is spicy. But it's a good spice.
Yeah. Same old same. Watching videos. Relaxing up.
Nothing goes to waste. I'm making everything.
Work. I know. Somebody gotta do it, right?
Yeah.
I know, same thing we do. Working videos, you know? And eating. You know? So, we on the same boat. I know, I'm listening to y'all. We're listening. We're eating, but we're listening to what y'all saying. You listening, right?
I'm listening. I'm enjoying my food.
This better not be a prank, you know? Prank can't prank me, I put that for real, actually you don't want to give me none.
A pork.
Okay.
Come on.
Better not be a prank, you know, cause so you don't want to give me none.
You don't need to have none. You have a beer steak over there. You good. You good on the food, man.
Asparagus family. So seasoned. Family, I never used to like these, you know? Never mind. So first you come and make it one day. I'm like, wow.
I'm laughing because you're making sure you not come over here.
I'm not coming here, so. Yeah, man. I play 6 feet. I'm social distancing today.
From the pork.
Yeah, I'm social distancing from the pork today. Yeah. I never tried those. The first day they made me try them. As I said before, first day they made me try a lot of stuff. That's from Hollywood now.
You know this Hollywood stuff. You gotta stop saying it before it really gets to your head. I'm gonna box you down.
I'm Hollywood now, son. Right, first day?
You've always been Hollywood to me.
Oh, that's nice. I mean, 4-course meal.
What's your?
I'm in a 5-star restaurant right now.
5-star restaurant.
Yeah. I'm in a 5-star restaurant. Yep. Love it. You catch me there, man. Keep rubbing it in.
You know how long I wanted some smothered pork chops? How long?
That's good though. I'm you ate off. I'm glad you ate off.
It's nice, man. Honey, you sure you want to taste it? Honey, you sure you want to taste it?
I'm alright. I'm fine.
They won't tell nobody.
I'm fine.
All right.
I'm fine with
You
that.
guys won't tell, right? If you eat some, you guys won't tell nobody. They won't tell nobody.
She's enjoying it today. I can't even sneak over there.
I'm eating even extra slow, if that's possible. And I know no one's coming over here to take my food.
Wow. First lady did it today. You messed me up, Robin. Wow. I can't believe that. Social distance from me now. You see that? I know you're gonna see that in the comment section. Now you're gonna talk your crap.
It's hard to be in a restaurant.
Yeah. You're gonna be like, oh yeah, First Lady got him today. You enjoy your food today, First Lady, huh?
I did.
Ah.
Ooh, and the pepper just, oh my goodness.
Asparagus is so seasoned. Look at this, look at this piece, family. Sauce, everything.
Oh my, oh my.
My steak is cooked medium rare, right, First Lady?
Medium well.
See, medium well.
You don't order your steak, that's why.
I don't order steak. You see that?
I order steak for him.
I don't know. I just eat it. See that?
When it's well done, it's too dry.
Yeah, yep. I'm in the 5 class. I don't even know how to order the right food.
No. But the medium, well, it's perfect. It just has a line of pink. So, it's still juicy. Well,
Yeah.
bite.
Bro, my teeth like that.
What?
We just need a tip. I'm gonna give you a good tip.
Ooh.
You work for it.
You know the kind of tips I like.
Yeah.
Okay.
You work for your tip, lady.
Okay. Make sure you know when this is done. I'm ready. I'm ready like Freddy.
My boy. You alright?
I'm on the pepper man.
T-bone. They ain't call it T-bone for nothing.
Yo, you make the steak bone look good enough.
Nice.
If people don't eat their steak bone like this, they're gonna start now because the way you eating it.
Y'all still watching me? Oh my god, y'all still watching this? Oh god. Why you tell me they still watching Eat the Boil? Don't judge me.
They judging.
Damn. First lady, you even tell me they still watching that? I thought everything was done. Because the food is done. Well, I guess you're going to continue. Yes, Sasha.
Sasha, agree with you.
I give my dog that bone right now. That dog will.
You give Sasha that bone, you want to see her for 2 days.
Bone bigger than her. I'm glad you enjoy your food today.
Thank you.
I know you always do, but
Today was extra special, my love.
special day.
You tore this food up though.
You social distance on me today. Wow. That was delicious.
Thank you. Thank you.
That was so delicious. I got a special word of wisdom for you today. As you know, this segment, 18 minutes and 37 seconds right now. Since you've been here so long, I'm gonna give you the word of wisdom right now. Okay? Take a sip first.
Ooh, good belch.
Drinking the Get Up juice. Get a come up. Minute Maid. Okay. Pastor Rich in the building now. What I got for y'all today? I got this. Ready?
Oh, you're all prepared.
Always prepared now. You ready for this one? Take one more sip.
I gotta take a sip too.
Take a sip, girl. Okay, you gotta listen to this one. Listen to this one carefully. Okay? Y'all listen to me carefully now. And as I said before, if it could relate to y'all, that's good. It makes us feel better. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's right. There's no wrong over here. Everybody win. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Sometimes the person who's been there for everyone else needs someone to be there for them.
What?
Sometimes the person who's been there for everyone else needs someone to be there for them.
Yes.
So, word of wisdom, Pastor Richie session. You know what I'm saying? Holla at me in the comment section. You like that one, First Lady?
Yeah, I was just talking to a very special someone about this just the other day.
Okay.
It's true.
Okay.
You know?
That's true. That's why I said this one could relate.
You can relate, my love.
That's right.
Guys.
Don't forget to like, we shared, comment. You think I forgot, huh?
I thought you forgot.
Subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate all of y'all, every single one of y'all. And thank you for tuning into the Greedy Fam.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yes.
That was a good one.